Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2012 Honda CMX250 REBEL. This is the classic REBEL cruiser, lightweight, great beginner bike. You might have ridden one of these if you took the rider course. 234 cc's, twin cylinder. This one is in perfect condition, only 454 miles. It comes with the engine guards, beautiful red metallic. Save over $1,000 off the price of a new one, just $35.99. Come by, check it out. We have financing available, extended service contracts. This is a great little starter bike, or if you have a really short inseam, you can definitely reach the ground. 2012 Honda REBEL, $35.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. Thank you.